In the previous exercise, we worked with the gross pay and calculated our gross pay by multiplying the contents of cell C7 by the contents of cell D7, which were the rate per hour, by the number of hours worked. We also talked about the fill down tool. The fill tool is located in the lower right-hand corner of a cell and allows you to copy a formula throughout the column or the row that you are in. You will notice that the cell references change, and I'm looking at the formula bar. As you look at a different cell, you're going to notice the cell references are changing relative to the row in which your formula appears. These are called relative cell references. We're going to add a Social Security formula now so that we can calculate the Social Security paid in after our gross pay. So to do that, we're going to multiply the Social Security rate by the gross pay. The gross pay is located in cell E7. We're going to multiply by B3, which is where we have located the Social Security rate. If we fill this formula down, the B3 is going to change to B4 in the next row. And we don't want that to happen because when you get to this row, it's going to be multiplying by the word's first initial, and that's not something that can be done. I'll demonstrate that. These are the errors that you will get. So instead, we are going to format this formula a bit differently. After the B3, if your insertion point is blinking, we are going to press the F4 key on our keyboard. And this puts a $sign before the B and a $sign before the 3, changing the cell reference to an absolute cell reference. Now we're going to get the same response, the same result, but when we fill down this time, you will notice that the B3 remains the same while the relative cell reference changes to represent the row that it is in.